Here we are back in the mature neighborhood of Lincoln Heights. Large properties, mature trees, and lovely old homes. Now, some homes are still normal. Some homes haven't been updated at all, but this one has. And you know what? I think you're gonna like it. Why? Well, because I do. So welcome inside 220 Mayfield. Who doesn't love a bright front foyer and also a coat check? I do. And the reason why it's so bright is because it's open to above, to the living room, letting in a ton of natural light due to this industrial style glass railing that you have open to this living room with the focal point of a fireplace, but also open to this huge picture window, letting in so much abundant natural light. So do you like a renovated chef-style kitchen? I do. With its standalone drop-down range hood hovering over the island with quartz countertops, and these quartz countertops continue to the rest of the kitchen that is supported by dark shaker-style cabinetry. Now there's a spot for proper dining just off the side of the kitchen, but if you like snacks and libations as much as I do, you'll probably have it here at the breakfast bar, which is open to this great bonus room overlooking the private fenced rear yard with deck access as well. I think you're going to enjoy the rest of the upstairs as much as I do, as you have a one-of-a-kind master suite with ensuite, plus walk-through closet with dressing area, plus 2 large bedrooms that also are shared by the main bath, which is also updated very nicely. If you appreciate natural light as much as I do, you'll definitely like the basement with really cool laundry, massive rec room with large windows, plus also a bonus room, perfect for the guests to sleep. Welcome to the 2-tiered backyard with wraparound deck and this awning for those hot summer days. Now, this backyard, even though it does have this huge addition, still has a ton of space to play, including a perfect toboggan hill for those 3-year-olds. Whether you're single or dating, you pick up a place like this, and that special somebody will just be waiting for you to ask that question, just so they can say, I do. Dear old Watty, Chestnut Park. And if you're 3, you're gonna love this toboggan hill.